Good morning, guys. It's 8:07 at this time. It's a nice calm morning. This is the 41 miles. The highway is just right there. I'm here by myself today. It looks like I see a dead antelope right there, or a pronghorn or something. It looks like it. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a dead animal there. There is a little bit of headwind breeze, but it's not too bad. I hope the pigeons get home early today. I'm gonna release them at 8:10. Colorado sky looks right now. It's beautiful. The sun is glaring down. This is like almost a picture perfect moment. Get ready. Let's go. Gotta come this way. All right, here they come. All right. All right. They're taking off. They're having a good start. Okay, now the headwind's kind of picking up a little bit, but they seem to be having a good start and heading the right direction. I hope they fly next to the highway home. They're kind of flying a zigzag line, left to right, left to right, left to right, but all right. Seems like they've almost reached those homes over there, so. All right, I'm out of here. That looks like a dead impala or antelope or something there. Yeah, I think it is, and then probably get hit by a car or something. 41, all right? Yep. It seems like it's been there for a while now. Just kind of rotted, but. No birds back yet. I just arrived home. So, but they should be here any minute. Hopefully. They just landed right at 9:16. So took an hour and 6 minutes today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, come on. All 8 of them.